that a snip?
This is a Drain Weasel hair clog kit. Got this from Home Depot. We're gonna try to clear out this tub right here. This is my kids' bathroom. They keep asking me to redo it, but they treat it like complete garbage. So we will not be redoing this anytime, but if we do, we'll put it on the channel. So please hit that subscribe button. Got this at Home Depot. Basically, it's a kit. It's got 2 weasels, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. And then what you do is you basically put this together like so, and then you snap it like so. Now, I always wear gloves. I always keep my mouth shut when I'm doing any kind of plumbing, so especially like this.
You don't need it?
Yeah, I put my phone over there. It's really important. And I put a towel here, and I get a bag. So the bag is for all the stuff that's in the drain. Oh. Usually what I do is I run really hot water through the drain, but this is so clogged. I don't even know. They didn't even tell me it was clogged. There's like, by the way, it's clogged just a little bit. Like, and start clean. Oh my God, this is so gross. Like, this is so gross. Look, I didn't even have to, okay, didn't even have to put it in. Keep the mouth shut. Keep the mouth shut. But I really don't understand how the rotation works. Rotation works like that. All right. Oh, so this is usually what happens is the girl's hair gets stuck in there, and then all the soap and everything that they use binds with the hair, and then it makes like a clog, like a paste through, and then I think this is gonna, you can hear it in there kind of flipping around. This is like a rotation here. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, you can hear it. And what we'll do is we'll rotate it as we pull out. Look at all that. I'm just gonna pull it up. This might be a one-time use. This is why you wear gloves, because this is really gross.
Soon it's gonna start splashing you.
Oh! All right, so now we're cleaning off the tip here. So I feel like maybe it's not grabbing. It still seems a little slow. We're gonna go one more time in there. Push it in as far as we can.
You clean the pipes.
I'm the pipe cleaner. I'm gonna throw a dredging agent in there. All right, so it pretty much cleared the clog. It works pretty well. It is a one-time use. This handle here is reusable, so that's why it comes with 2 of the weasels. So this you just trash when you're done. I thought this was like you could use it multiple times. Mine seems to be, I'd say like 90%, 95% clear. I feel like there's still maybe something down in the trap. So what I'm gonna do is tonight before I go to bed, I'm gonna put a piping dredging agent in there. And what that does, it clears out clogs, dissolves scope scum, eats paper. You use this in all kinds of your pipes. It's a good maintenance. So I'm gonna throw this in at night, let it do its thing overnight. It'll sit in that trap, kind of eat everything away. And then this drain should be very clear. So we use this as like a mechanical, we use this as a chemical, that'll clean out those pipes. So what I would say is if you're gonna use one of these, they work good, maybe go and clean all your pipes all at one time, all right? So I'd say I would give this maybe like an 8.5. I think it works pretty well. You can actually use zip ties if you're in a bind. A really long zip tie, maybe make some hatches in it, just so it has something to grab onto this, to this hair. Just shove that in there, and that'll clear out your pipes as well. But these things work pretty well. Home Depot. I'll put a link to all this, the dredging agent, that down below. Please like the video. Please leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, FamilyRTV, and I'm out.